3 businesses you can start while working a full-time job. In this video, we'll be sharing 3 businesses you can start while working a full-time job. Before we get into the content, consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. One way to diversify your income is by starting a side business to make some extra cash, but how do you run a business and stay committed to it when you have a full-time job? Starting a side business while working a full-time job can be easier than you imagine, as long as you are well informed about the type of business you have chosen. Thanks to the emergence of the internet, most of these businesses do not necessarily require a physical space, nor your presence to thrive well, which means that even with your 8-to-5 job, you can still successfully run your side business, thereby increasing your earnings and ultimately achieving your financial goals. It's not always easy, but it's achievable and very satisfying. Number 1. Online marketing. With platforms like Instagram, Facebook and even e-commerce websites like Amazon, reaching a potential buyer is definitely easier than setting up an actual store to have your products seen. Regardless of the state of the economy, people will always spend money to buy things, and thanks to the internet, selling has been made so much easier. Consider choosing items that sell quickly because of high demand in the market. Under the online marketing umbrella, you definitely want to look into affiliate marketing. This is where you get to sell other people's products and make a commission from the sales. The first link in the description below will take you to a platform that teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Number 2. Transport services. A transport service like Uber and Taxify is another good side business which doesn't necessarily require your active presence to thrive. If you own a car, you can consider signing up on Uber or any other known transport service in your region. You can also hire a driver to run the business whenever you are not available. One advantage of using a transport service company like Uber is that they already have a larger customer base who use their services and they only match you with passengers in your area, saving you stress and fuel. Number 3. Web development. With startup brands, recognizable organizations and bloggers constantly seeking platforms to share information with their audience, the demand for web developers is very high. There is a need for talented web developers to help integrate new features, upgrade functionalities and fix bugs. Once you build your skills in working with the various web development tools, you can go ahead to launch out your freelance web development business while still working a full-time job. That's it for today's video, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already.